So now we are going to discuss another important problem based on the Coulomb's law, that is the equilibrium of charges. So here the drawing shows an equal triangle. So this is the equal triangle, each side which has a length of 2 centimeters. So the length of the equal triangle is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. So point charges are fixed to each corner as shown. So here 3 point charges are fixed at each corner of the equal triangle. The 4 microcoulombs charge experience a net force due to the charges QA and QB. This net force pointing vertically downward. So it experiences a net force due to these charges. That net force is acting vertically downward and has a magnitude of how much? 180 root 3 newtons. Right. Determine magnitude and algebraic sign of QA and QB. So this problem is also very important in a NEET and JEE main. What is the magnitude of QA and QB and what is the sign, algebraic sign of QA and QB? So in any entrance, either JEE main and NEET, in physics the problems are very important. 98% paper contains problems. So Kartip, please keep watching these problems very careful. There is no theory questions asked in JEE, NEET and main. Less questions are asked. Most of the paper contain problems. Right, here this is very important problem. Why here? This is a concept wise problem. Net force, here key points is net force acting points vertically downward, that is key point. Okay, that is very important point. So this when net force acting vertically downward, whenever the force acting on the 4 microcoulombs charge due to QA charge, QB charge are same. These forces, whenever these forces are same, then only the net resultant force acting vertically downward. That means here force is acting along this direction. That means here these forces should be equal, must be equal. Why? Because they given net force acting vertically downward, so that forces should be equal. Whenever forces are equal, then charges are also equal. Why? Because here 2 centimeter, 4 microcoulombs. Here whenever these charges are equal, QA and QB both are equal, then forces are equal. And also the direction of force is along this direction, means QA and QB must be negative charges. So these two are negative charges. That means QA is equal to QB is equal to, let us assume, minus Q. 2 centimeter, 4 microcoulombs. 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 2 centimeter, 4 microcoulo then only there is attraction force between 4 microcoulombs and this charge, between 4 microcoulombs and this charge. Then the force is acting along this direction. The net force acting vertically downwards. For example, if these are positive charges, the net force is acting vertically upwards. So here in this problem, since net force acting vertically downward, forces should be same. These forces acting in downward direction towards the charges. And also the sign of the charges must be negative. Then only net force acting vertically downward. Right, here F is same. And charges QA and QB must be equal. Why equal? Here F is same. So QA and QB are equal. And they are negative. Then only this condition is possible. Right. Now this is equilateral triangle. This force F making 30 degrees with vertical. This force also making 30 degrees with vertical. Now we resolve force. This force, this is F sin theta and this is F cos theta. Now we resolve this force. This is F sin theta and this is F cos theta. Okay. F sin theta forces are equal in magnitude but opposite direction, they cancel each other. So the resultant force Fr is equal to this F cos theta are in same direction, so they should be added. That means you have 2F cos theta. Here the distance between 4 microcoulombs and this minus QA charge is 2 centimeters. R is equal to 2 centimeters. This is in CGS. So convert into meters. 2 into the power of minus 4 meters. So Fr is equal to 2 into here what is F? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. 4 microcoulombs. Q1 Q2 bar square. 4 into 10 power minus 6 into here QA and QB are negative and they are equal. Okay. No need to put a negative sign while calculating the force. So both are equal to Q. That is assumed. Q divided by R square 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into cos. What is the angle here? Theta value is how much? 30 degrees. Cos 30 is equal to, according to problem, what is the resultant force they given? 180 root 3. 180 root 3. So here 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon is equal to 9 10 to the power of 9. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into Q into cos 30 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 whole divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. That is equal to how much? 180 root 3. 180 root 3. Here 2 cancel. Okay. 4 cancel. Root 3 cancel. Root 3 cancel. So here 10 to the power of 9, 10 to the power of minus 6. That is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 3 okay, into 10 to the power of minus 4 is in denominator, bring it to numerator, 10 to the power of 4 into q is equal to 180. Okay, q is equal to how much? 180 divided by 9 into 10 to the power of 7. Q, that is unknown charge. QA is equal QB is equal Q. Okay, QA is equal QB is equal to Q. So Q is equal to 20 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulombs. So this is the answer of the problem. So what is the keyword here? Keyword is net force pointing vertically downward. That is keyword. By using that single sentence, we solve this problem. So you must pay attention on the problems in physics. Then only you will get success in entrance examinations. Okay, physics is nothing but problems.